Hey there, Airtable enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and practical tutorial. Today, we're diving into episode 594, How to Delete an Interface in Airtable for 2025. If you've been building bases and creating interfaces, you might need to clean things up from time to time. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this step by step in just a couple of minutes. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Airtable account. If you're not, go ahead and sign in now. Once you're in, navigate to the base that contains the interface you want to delete. Bases are like your main projects, so select the one you're working on from your dashboard. Now, head over to the Interfaces tab. This is usually found in the left-hand sidebar. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the interfaces associated with your base. Find the one you want to delete. Maybe it's an outdated view or something you no longer need. Hover over that interface and look for the three-dot menu icon, often labeled as More Options. Click on it, and from the drop-down, select Delete. Airtable will probably prompt you with a confirmation message to make sure you really want to do this, as deleting an interface is permanent and could affect any linked data or collaborations. Before you confirm, double-check. Ask yourself if this interface is being used anywhere else. If you're sure, go ahead and click Confirm or Delete to proceed. You'll get a notification that the interface has been successfully removed. And just like that, you're done. Deleting an interface in Airtable is straightforward, but always remember to back up your data if needed. This feature might have slight variations based on the 2025 updates, so keep an eye on Airtable's official docs for any changes. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Airtable tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next one. Stay efficient.